After studying the reaction of metal and non-metal with oxygen, now we come how do they react with water. Activity 4.5, it is showing reaction of sodium with water. Take a 250 milliliter beaker and fill it half with water. Now put a small piece of sodium into the water. When you put it into the water, you will see that it will start burning. Keep this thing away from your eyes because sodium will react with water and it will start jumping on the water surface. Even if you put sodium in water, the water is cold, sodium will start burning. Even if you put sodium in normal empty glass container, it will start burning. What do you see here? Observe carefully. During observation, keep away from the beaker. Since the sodium is reacting with water, what do you feel? When you touch the container was filled with water. You will see that sodium will react with water and it will start burning on the water surface and the container will become hot. You did not light up a fire, but sodium has started burning. This is a special property of sodium, that sodium can react with water at room temperature. Test the solution with red and blue litmus paper. Now we read this earlier that all the metals will react with oxygen to form a metallic oxide. Now here the metal is reacting with water. So what will it form? It will again form a basic hydroxide. So here sodium has reacted with water. So what does this form? It will form a substance which will turn the red litmus paper into blue. It will turn the paper into blue color, which is a property of a base. It will turn red litmus paper into blue in color. So this shows that sodium, which is a metal, reacts with water to form a base. This base, how will you test? By using a litmus paper. So the container which turns hot proves that it is giving out energy. This process of giving out energy is called exothermic reaction, and sodium has formed a blue solution, a solution which is turning blue paper into red.